In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align PowerPoint objects. First things first, let's get started by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem like a basic step, but it's the very portal into creating stunning presentations that capture your audience's attention. So double click that PowerPoint icon and brace yourself for a whirlwind of creativity. Once you've opened PowerPoint, you'll be greeted by the opening screen. This is your gateway to all the presentations you've worked hard on. Navigate through this screen and open the file you wish to enhance with perfectly aligned objects. If it's a new project, then of course you'll start fresh. Now that your file is open and ready, let's dive into the heart of today's lesson: aligning objects. Look at your slide and decide which object needs to be aligned. It could be anything: a shape, an image, or a text box. Click on that object to select it. This step is crucial because the next actions we perform will only affect the objects that are selected. With your object selected, move your cursor to the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint window to find the Shape Format tab. Clicking on it will reveal a myriad of options designed to spruce up your object, but our focus today lies within a specific group of these options. Navigate within the Shape Format tab to the Arrange section. This section contains tools that allow objects to interact with each other on the slide, including our star of the day, the Align tool. The Arrange section is like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure every object plays its part in harmony with the others, perfectly positioned for a beautiful symphony on your slide. Next up, click on Align. This will open a drop-down menu with several alignment options. But before we choose one, there's a vital step to ensure our alignment is pitch perfect. Within this drop-down menu, find and ensure that Dassault Align to Slide is checked. This is a critical step because it determines the reference point for alignment. By selecting Align to Slide, we're telling PowerPoint to use the entire slide as a frame of reference, ensuring our object aligns exactly where we want it on the slide. It's like using a ruler instead of your eye. It guarantees precision. At this point, you're probably noticing other intriguing options within the Align drop-down menu, such as Align Left, Align Center, Align Right for horizontal alignment, and Align Top, Align Middle, Align Bottom for vertical alignment. Selecting any of these depends purely on your desired outcome. Do you want your object at the center of your slide, or perhaps neatly lined up along the top edge? The choice is yours, and with Align to Slide checked, you can be sure that your chosen alignment will be relative to the slide's boundaries, ensuring a neat, professional look. Aligning objects in PowerPoint is more than just making slides look organized. It's about enhancing the visual flow and ensuring your message is conveyed clearly and effectively. The alignment tools offer a straightforward way of achieving professional-looking presentations, even if you're not a design expert. As you practice these steps, they'll become second nature, and you'll find yourself effortlessly creating presentations that captivate and impress. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to align objects in PowerPoint, ensuring your presentations are always polished and precise. Remember, the key to mastering PowerPoint lies in exploring and experimenting with its multitude of features. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to creating beautifully aligned presentations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be aligning objects like a pro, making your presentations stand out in a sea of slides. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Happy presenting!